Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm in creative mode because I'm going to be creating something today. Now, it is Bonfire Night tomorrow, and because of all this COVID-19 issues, we aren't really able to celebrate that much. What? How are you celebrating Bonfire Night? Are you having a celebration in your backyard? Are you just going to watch some fireworks that people are doing? Tell me and leave down in the comments below. So today I'm going to be building something for Bonfire Night. Now the obvious option would be just to build a firework concert, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Next year I have got plans to do more exciting things, but right now it's just a firework concert. So I've built this big thing here. First I want to clear out this area. Okay, sorry, a bit of Minecraft glitch there. I also had to do this. I don't particularly want that anymore. There we are. Is that better? This feels a bit better. It's already becoming. Why does this keep happening to me? Let me finish this. Oh, okay. Doing good. So this is gonna be well, the fireworks are gonna take place, I think. Let's just quickly set the time today. Time set day. Should I do that? Yeah. Does that work? Yeah. I've got my voice. So this is gonna be taking place. So I think I'm gonna go what is it? Sandstone. Okay. I get this sandstone. So this is could be what they're gonna be walking on, I think. Sorry, cow. But I have all the power now because I'm in creative. How are you guys all doing with this COVID-19 issue? Well, I know how I'm doing. I've only very recently got my YouTube, and I feel like it's coming along quite well. Sometimes. Sometimes I do have a few problems with the mic. If you go into my Minecraft Adventures world, you will see that I had a few problems with the mic. And that caused me unable to record the episode that I was recording. Well, going to record, I guess. So, just how are you all doing? Are you doing anything in Minecraft yourself? Because I'm sure lots of the people who are watching me do play Minecraft. If you don't, it's an amazing game, guys. You should come play it if you don't play Minecraft. I'm sure most of you guys probably do, though, that are watching me. So, okay, let's get back to this. So, uh, I feel like there should be a safeguarding area where they're just allowed to do whatever they want, but in a safe area. But with their own fireworks, I'm trying to make it as much like a firework concert that goes on more parks that I like going to. And yeah. Oh, this is so relaxing. Are you more of a builder or miner in Minecraft? I love both of them. Mining is so relaxing, but I feel like I'm gaining the I don't know, just getting way better at building. What's your favorite? Leave down in the comments below. Okay. I've had this sign in my head of what they're gonna see when they first enter. I know I'm using a lot of spruce, but it's going to be made out of some spruce wood, some item frames, and some fireworks. The sign. It's nothing going to be too big, but I just think it's going to fit in. Let's just stick with this for now. And now I want to do an opening sign. So I need some spruce wood. No, some spruce wood. Okay, wait. And then item frames. Item frames. Okay. And fireworks. What am I typing? There we are. I just lost my spelling a bit there. Yay, blue. Okay. It's gonna be here. 2 blocks. 1, 2, done. Done. Is this too low down? Is it not? That's too low down. Working with fences I find quite hard, especially when I have to jump up. Something hard I find with working with fences. It should be 3, I think. Yeah, that looks better. Put the item frames down. Okay, and then put the fireworks in. Oh wow, what do you think this? I think this is looking pretty good, if you ask me. So, this is the area we're working so far. Doesn't look too exciting. Okay, one sec. Let me just make it night. So like midnight. Okay, ready, steady. Oh, that's the kind of thing that they're going to be seeing. Ah, it's beautiful. Oh, wow. Now, where's that witch? I did get myself another right pickaxe to any mobs or anything. Nah, nothing big. So, I feel like a secret entrance in secret, but a way that everybody would get in. So, if we tried, if we did this, no, not fence, this, and then got some leaves. I usually don't decorate leaves on any videos, so this is a new thing I'm trying out. Keep trying out new things. It could lead you to an obsession of something. Just look how pretty that looks. I think this one's going to tower over a bit. I think there's going to be like woods all around here. I think. That looks good, I think. I think. Okay, let's make it back to day. Okay. So, I don't really want to clear out any of this area. Now let's make a little pathway out of dark oak. Now where's the center here? I'm just gonna make up the center, I think. So 1, 2, 3. Now, I want you to tell me something. Do you prefer me building in creative or building in survival or just playing? I've been doing a lot in my main, survival world at the moment. Minecraft adventures. I just enjoy playing survival the best. I'm I do like doing it in creative because I feel like I can just build. I don't have to worry about getting the materials. But sometimes getting the materials can be fun. Going on adventures, finding spawners. The first spawner I ever found was a spider spawner. What was your first spawner? Really like to know. Okay. Sorry if the sound's a bit too loud for you. Um, Leave down in the comments below what sound you recommend. I think they're gonna spawn at this dock. I think that's where I want them to spawn. So we can use, I want to use like a stripped kind of thing. I think I'm gonna use stripped oak. I usually like never build with this. Okay. Looking good. In case anybody wants to drown themselves, I'll just put this thing here. Like here. Yeah, that looks good. And I think this is going to be where they're going to spawn. We can move on to the little details after. So, I think from here, I've got to make sure it's perfect. I think that's right. So let's just fill in this whole area that I'm about to block off. Sorry if this episode's going to be too long for you. All this bit that I'm filling out, you can just skip if you like. If you don't want to watch this like full thing, because it's going to take quite a while. I'm not like super quick or anything. So for this bit, just skip forward. I'm just going to be filling this bit in. Okay guys, first bit done. What do you think? Perfect. Does this look too deserty for you? Okay. Okay. Leave down any questions in the comments below. So whilever I'm building, I can talk to you about them instead of you having to skip through it because you don't want to watch me do this. Okay. I think this technique is the quickest, this one. What technique do you use when you're filling out large areas like this one? Leave down in the comments below. You've got a lot to leave down in the comments below, guys. I'm thinking this is looking fabulous. But I don't want to keep having too many fences because there's already a fence here for it. And I don't like to make it higher because then they won't be able to see the fireworks. And I want some more protection for here, across here. But I don't just want to use a plain old fence because it's too many fences. What should I do? Oh, look. Okay. So, we've got to think of a better way, or maybe a wall. Let's see what different wall types we have here. A brick wall could look cute. I'm going to test out the prismarine wall and the brick wall. My two choices. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Go step through here. No. Or, oh, okay, 1, 2, 3. I really think that prismarine one makes it better. Prismarine's so nice, and I just have to go with it. Looks super cute with its surroundings as well, with the flowers in the background. I don't think that's the only reason I'm making this right now though. Okay. I was thinking of doing a bridge across that whole thing, but then I realized it could look super stupid across that lake. It's more like rivers. You put, they can sneak out that way. What if I did that? Could they still sneak out there? No, I don't think they can. They can. It doesn't matter. Let's carry on with the fence. Tell me if this looks like too much safety here. I do want them to be safe and all, but is it too much safety? So you're probably wondering who's going to actually watch this. Well, I think the people that are probably going to watch this, I may try and get some other people, but I think the people that mainly are going to be watching this is my brother, which you've seen on a Minecraft Adventures episode, and Be Cheerful's channel. A shout out to her channel. She's an amazing YouTuber. Go check out her channel. It's called Be Cheerful. B-double-E. Cheerful. Is that like the, yeah, that's the same. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. So we're pretending to be this person who comes across. Ooh, nice little area for me. Oh wow, there's a fireworks show, yay! Do you think that would work? I don't know. Let's get a pressure plate. Pressure plates, pressure plate. Ooh, polished black stone. No, that wouldn't go with this area. Maybe we. Cute. Okay, 1, 2, 3, I think it is. Yeah, there's gonna be 3 people here. So above there would be the pressure plates, right? Okay, if we keep digging through here and end up in the area that we want the fireworks to be set off, this could work. Okay. This first firework will be set there. So I think we need a dispenser for this. A dispenser. So let's just like plop that there. And then there. Then we gotta use some redstone. I don't usually use redstone. Fun fact. I just don't. I'm not a super redstone person. I'm just not. But this work. We're about to find out if my redstone is correct. Okay, let's see. Doesn't work. I think the redstone somehow has to connect to it. So that work? Okay, would it connect? Like that. Does the redstone even go red? Told you I'm not a super redstone person. Okay, and then if we did, think I've got. Think this is how it's gonna go, guys. I think this we're doing it. I think we're doing it. we hold this here, and then what? Wait, it did go red though. It's because it needs to connect to the dispenser. This is really annoying. Okay, let's get some of this dirt glass thingy. Wait, we need the redstone. Oh, I'm so confused. Now I think that would work. Let's go see. The redstone is working perfectly though. What if? Now you better work this time. If you don't, I'll be very upset. No. Please work, please work, please work. Oh, no. This might not work. So, forget all this. Why am I like this? I don't even know how to work some simple redstone. Why? Just, why can't I do it? Let's just block back all this up and try work on some of the simple stuff. No. Okay. Oh no, I'm giving up. You should never give up, but I've got to. So, if I were... Wait, so this is the first row, right? Okay, second row and third row. What if I were to use this dispenser here? Now this will surely work. It has to. So firework for each one of us. Okay, and there'll be different fireworks, I think. Fireworks, okay. So first, no, we want, I think I like this one. Oh, I already have that one. This small ball yellow and light blue, orange. These are all the different colours that are going to turn up when they press the buttons. Well, we press the buttons. So the first one. No, that won't work because it's not there. So if we did that, 777. Okay, and then okay, trying to make this as fair as I can. Is that all I got? Oh no, I got these. Okay, do 777. That works. We've got to have things there, I think. Which means, sure, you can have that one. Okay. No, let's just do that. Okay. Then this one can have, no. Okay. Then this and this, lots of this. Just keep clicking away. And let some others have some more. Because I don't know how this order is going to go. This one didn't get any. Okay, let's just leave it like that. And now the choice of buttons. Button. I keep doing that. Button. I think I'm just gonna go for more button. This one here. Oh. How am I meant to put the buttons on it? There, you gotta crouch. Lesson learned. You can barely see the buttons. It says all three up. Oh, fabulous. I love it. Just love it. So that's the first. But there still needs to be more. Lots more. And we really need some actually inside here. So, think what? No, there's nothing in that. Okay. I feel they just need to be set off. You know I'm not good with redstone. That's a new lesson learned. Alright. I won't give up. I just can't. Okay. This is gonna be what all. You're kidding me. This definitely makes me want to give up. Can you just stop it, please, water? Ah. No. Order. But that will keep happening. Nah. It's not such a big deal. But actually, water needs to be coming from there. And excuse me, who said this was your hot tub? This is why I wanted my netherite sword. 2 hits. 3 hits. Easy peasy. Okay. I thought that this would just be a bit of fun to do. So. This is going to go all the way around. See, I'm passionate. I'm passionate about this. I have to make this. Okay. Now we can get our redstone. I really hope this works. If it doesn't, I've just gone through a lot for it. Now, would it go here? Then one could go here. I'm just seeing, okay? This is a test run. I'm sure later on in the channel we could be redstone professionals. Or we could still be terribly bad and you will just all know that. I don't know. But we're learning. that's good. Here, there'll be a button, I think. If we put a button there, that wouldn't work. Okay. Hmm. How? Trying to figure how. Because we've got to try and make this look nice. Somehow. I want that to be placed the other way. Nope. We're not going to place... Do buttons always place that way? Well, I suppose they do now. Okay. Now, this is the big reveal. If this thingy likes me or not. Hopefully it does. Okay. One, two, three. That will have less. Okay. Oh, another big test run. If this doesn't work, I'll be very, very upset. Do they have to be close or something? Tell me what I'm doing wrong. What am I doing? Ooh, okay. What have I done? Maybe it's just not connecting right. But what if the button was here? Would you still not like me? But it works when it's there. I just don't understand. What if it was... No. What's the closest I can put it? Okay, not there. Buttons hold water. Yeah, but it ruins redstone. Okay. Anyway. There. I feel like that's the closest that I'm ever gonna get it to go. Okay, let's just keep that like that then. Okay. Still, that makes me really upset that I just went through all that just to get the thing working. And what did I just do? I need to know where the button is, of course. So that's going to be where the button is. Okay. Oh, I keep giving up, but I know I don't want to. Please, leave down in the comments below how to do this. I might just do another concept for next year, but this one might actually go well. I don't know. So that could still do something. Maybe. Could. Please work this time. I melt fireworks. Okay. Nope. Crouch jump? That works. Yep, of course it does. You better work. Wait, we still need that. Like that. Okay, and then I forgot to place in the redstone. this. Okay. So, does it? Oh no, I can't test one yet. We need the fireworks. Small ball purple. I think it could set off. I think it should be able to set off. I'm still learning here. Okay? Don't judge. It works. So far, this is what we've got. Whoa! That was cool. Oh, what's this over here? But do they really always want to be pressing a button? No. They could, that'd be fine if they could just see the wiring though, couldn't they? I think they would. If they saw this wiring here, that'd be okay. So, still need like lots in the center there. How can we do this? Okay. I think after here, there'll be a sign to say run. Okay, I'm gonna get a shovel. Um, yeah, shovel. Why another way? I don't know. Oh, this is the path in my other Minecraft. You know, I was just doing that because I was so excited. I found the Taker biome. This path's actually going to be a neat path, I think. Okay. From all my other attempts. But I hate you now, Redstone. Okay. Then we can use pressure plates, which will work this time. Hopefully. And they just get to keep running across. And then, so they run across here. Okay, and it's going to be more of a path here. So, I think they'll be saying go crazy and set off the fireworks. There can be paths going all around the place. So it's a bit of a different type concert, but I think it'll work. I really want to get some of these spruce trees growing actually. So let's get that growing. Just grow away. And then bone meal. Okay. They're going to be growing outside the area. Like this. Oh, that's quite big. Bigger than I imagined, but it will work. Mm. What would happen if I did this? Does it still work? Nah, I'm not gonna try. I grew one tree. Are you not gonna grow? That's offensive. I grew one tree in this world. And that's that tree that I just did on camera. That's disgraceful. Grown. It doesn't matter. Set the time today. It's all I've been doing on this. Set the time today. Oh yeah, I forgot the phantoms kept coming out. We don't want them at our fireworks concert, so... And we don't want beds at our firework concert because we want it to be night. There's an all-day thing. I'm not sure if there's an all-night thing. I don't know. Okay. I'm not sure how many fireworks are going to come across in this path. How many, like, they're going to set off in this path, but hopefully as many as they please. So, we do, like, one here. Hmm. Let's get some, like, loads of fireworks. Just at random. Okay, so okay, that works. Now we can get the dispenser and pressure plates. The two main things. Now, I'm gonna try and avoid working with redstone as much as I can from now on. Okay. Okay. Let's just keep that like that. No. Those guys aren't gonna spawn, are they? Really? Really? No. Weather clear. It's unacceptable behaviour for the firework concert. I'm really happy with how this is going on. So a dot kind of theme here, a modern type theme here, a very fun type theme here, a useless button here. Oh no, it's not useless, I forgot. A button here, and they come across here. So much. Oh wait, probably shouldn't sprint. My brother shouldn't sprint. That there was dispenser ran out. Okay, and then that one, just the odd one out. Then like a few of them. That's too many. Okay. Works, works, works. I must have been wasting too many. Oh, I think I forgot to put them in. That's disappointing. That I forgot to put them in. Okay. Okay. Why don't it just work like that? So spawn in. Ooh, modern, very modern. Ooh, fun time, yay! Ooh, fun time, yay! Ooh, what's this sign here? Fireworks. Oh, there's a button. Let's press it. Oh, let's press it. Whoa, purple, yay! There's some more buttons here. Whoa! Ooh, that's cool. Wait, I didn't put any. Okay. Okay, click the mouse everywhere. I'm running out of fireworks. There's going to be a lot of fireworks if they do this over and over again. green. Of course, you have to have some green. Oh, I put some in there, but not. How silly of me. Okay. There. There, I didn't put any. Beautiful. You are the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Malibu wraps. So, Malibu wraps. Oh, they are gonna love this, especially my brother. He's quite young, and he's definitely gonna love just seeing these fireworks. Because we've been locked indoors. We're going into another lockdown on Thursday. If you're watching this in 2020, which you probably are going to be, if you're like viewers that check out my videos every day, because this is filmed in 2020, and this I don't know, what am I saying? Okay, if we do this and share that out so everybody gets a go. Okay. 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 Oh, I thought that was a monster. That's just chicken. Chicken. Okay. I'm running out. I'm running out. Is that bad? Yes, it is. Oh, there's going to be so many fireworks. There. Okay. Is this going well? Looks like a little map. Cute. Now, let's grow some more of these. That's good, 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 good. That's better. That's things I want from you, fish trees. These. Okay, I think there's going to be one way going that way, one way going that way, and then we can call it a day. So, have any of you thought to do anything for Bonfire Night in video games? Or is that just me? I hope you're all doing so well in this time. There's been a lot going on and a lot of changes that have been happening recently. I hope that you're all doing extremely well. Yeah. Oh, okay. So the day I'm recording this is the 4th. So it is tomorrow that it is. So I probably will upload it today, the 4th. If you're watching this on the 4th, well done. You've been keeping up with my videos. So well done you. If you are watching this on the 4th. If you're not, and it's been years since I filmed this, which it probably won't be. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. Okay, okay. Let's put a few more on here. I think after this one we'll do maybe one that way, and then we'll call it a day. Okay. I'm not going to do a test run for this one. Sorry. No test runs right now. Is that some more? Um, yep, it is phantoms. Some more phantoms. Okay. Okay, so let's put the push plates down. Um, yeah, that's better. Okay, and now we can fill them up with some fireworks. These I think will just have to, no, they won't have to be all the same. Okay. I keep forgetting I'm recording. Sorry about that. This is so exciting. Hopefully this will turn out great and they will notice all the buttons and stuff like that. I really don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm also just really looking forward to it. So it's like a bit of a maze here. I'm happy with it. What do you think? Oh, by the way, when you do see my brother filming the video tomorrow, he will have a different skin. Well, it's not skin, like the editing skin when you don't have any skin packs. Yeah, his character's changed. Okay, that's the answer. And I can't wait for you to see that. And let's fix this wall. This wall, I already have it. Yep. Sorry about that. That needed to be done. Horse? I'm not sure how much damage this does. I mean, it is netherite, so 3 hits, 2 hits. That's good. Okay. You just gave birth. Just as I was gonna kill you. Look, I just need you not to go in this area, please. I think this is almost perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now, should we do the safeguarding area? Yeah, we should. Would that work like that? That doesn't go well. I will go with it. So this is going to be the safeguarding area. You still have a nice view, just we want it to be safer. I don't know why I'm calling this the safeguarding area. I think it just makes sense. It's a safe area where they can have fun with the fireworks. So what they'll do is they'll get a firework out of the shulker. Okay. So what they'll do is they'll get a firework out of a shulker, which will be in the floor, and then they can just play around with them. So the choices are snowball red I'll take. Okay. Lime I'll take. Okay. light blue I'll take, and pink I'll take. I don't particularly like pink, but I'll go with it. I'll go with it. So, white shulkers. Here we come to. How many choices did I get? One, two, three, four. So there's those fireworks, those fireworks. They'll have the choice for these, what colour firework they want. Or these fireworks. Okay. Let's see. That looks pretty safe. Okay. Now let's set this spawn creeper explosion. I'm guessing it probably was, or something like that. Otherwise, that's just some really bad terraforming. So set the spawn point. The spawn point. We've made an improvement. My mouse. And I'm really happy with it. So, thank you so much for watching. Leave down in the comments below how you are celebrating your Halloween. Now, off camera, I'll grow some more trees, and then tomorrow it will be time for them to come, and I'm so excited to see how they react to it. I'm not sure if Be Cheerful is going to be recording. If she is, you can go check out her video when it does happen. My brother will be on here, and it'll be fun to just have a celebration all with my favourite Minecraft friends.